Hello everyone, welcome to Bread and Milk. Cryptocurrency becomes a very hot topic these years. What is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a means of exchange, which also has huge investment potential. From the market, we have already seen the huge benefits of investing several major cryptos. Most major one, the Bitcoin, has shown millions of times of increase in the past years. Even we can see over 40% of return in the past year. Other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, Chainlink, and Digibet also shows great investment potentials. Digital currency is also a medium of the future technology that we want to keep an eye on it. Participating in the cryptocurrency market and getting in touch with the most up-to-date technologies are fairly easy, following the 3 steps: what to buy, and where to store the value. Let's get started. The first topic we want to mention is what to buy, which means the research. We need to do our own research on the cryptocurrency world. There are several major cryptocurrencies we had mentioned, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and etc. And also there are huge potentials. There are tons of new investment, new coins inside the market. A lot of activities in this world. And since it's a very volatile and internet-based market, we highly recommend you to do a full research on this market before your investment. And another golden investment rule is that never invest more than the amount you can afford to lose. So you can get an idea of your goals, your strategy, and your capital. And let's go to step number 2, where to buy. That means we need to choose an exchange. The cryptocurrency exchange is like a huge market. We have several major exchanges that you can refer to. For example, Coinbase, which has simple interface and very friendly to the beginners. You can get a huge variety of choices and high liquidity with Coinbase. The second one that most people prefer is Binance.com, which also has a huge variety of the cryptocurrencies and high liquidity. And there is also a lot of transactions inside that exchange. And the exchange have a relatively lower fee than Coinbase.com. I see there are some limitations with the users in the US, but also feel free to check out the other website called Binance US for US users. Those 2 exchanges has been verified by hundreds of millions of users, and they are relatively secure. Other major exchanges include Kraken, eToro, Bitflyer. You can always check on their website to see if you have any other preferences. In these exchanges, you can execute your trade using credit card, debit card, bank account, or even PayPal and Venmo. The last step is find a place to store your capital. So, which means you will need a wallet to put in your crypto tokens. That calls a wallet. Well, the wallet is a tool that allows crypto users to receive, to send, and to store tokens. We have 2 major types of wallet: hot wallet and cold wallet. The major difference between a hot and a cold wallet is that the hot wallet is connected to the internet, while the cold wallet is not, and the cold wallet is usually physical wallet. like a USB device. Well, hot wallet is usually web applications. As we see the major difference, we can know that the hot wallet is relatively easy, and for most of the apps they are all free. It has a simple interface, and usually the apps are free. But for the cold wallet, as we see, the whole market is based on the internet. So have your wallet off the internet is always a more secure way, and it's a better way to store tokens for a long period of time. As a beginner, let's talk about the hot wallet first. One of the famous hot wallet for beginners called Exodus, which has simple user interface, easy to build in mobile apps and desktop applications. Some other major hot wallet include Electron, which is better for the advanced users, and Mycelium. And as for the cold wallet, which is better for the advanced users, and the major players in the crypto market. Some famous products include Ledger Nano X, Ledger Nano S, and the Treasure Model T. And usually a cold wallet costs from less than $100 to $200. So it's pretty much simple to follow the 3 steps to invest in your cryptocurrency. Some word in the end. Since the market is highly volatile, it's decentralized and based on the internet. You need to know you are the bank itself. Make sure to check the website, make sure to keep your password sophisticated and secure. And also, people will recommend you to take some physical notes for the password, then the auto memory of your devices. As you know, the crypto market is highly volatile. Please also never invest more than what you can lose. That's it for today. Feel free to check out the descriptions and the link below. Thank you.